How much does it really cost to start your affiliate marketing business? Affiliate marketing is the reason why I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and work from home and have more time with my family. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Number one, you need a domain name, which is going to cost you $1 per month. A good example is www.yourname.com. The cheapest option available is namecheap.com. Number two, you're going to need a business email, which is going to cost you $3.66 a month. A good example is yourname@yourdomain.com. A cheapest option available is GoDaddy.com. Number three, you need a funnel builder software, which is how you're going to be collecting emails of your potential customers. And it's going to cost you $0, and the cheapest option available is System.io. Number four, you need an email autoresponder, which is a way for you to automatically follow up with your potential audience. And it's going to cost you $0, and the cheapest option available is System.io. To sum up, here's what you need. You need $1 for your domain, $3.66 for your business email, and the rest you need $0. To sum up, here's what you need to start your online business. $4.66 a month. Starting an online business is not as expensive as you would think. If you want to learn how you can start your online affiliate marketing business just like I did, all you have to do is see the link in the bio.